Okay, today I'm gonna really start my plans to process a few chickens, some Cornish cross, white fowl them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use these buckets to make cones. So whenever I hang them, they don't flash all across and mess up the whole entire place with blood. So I'm just going to go through and use one of these 5-gallon bucket just to show you guys how I go about to make these cones. When I grew up back in the country, I used to kill chicken with my uncle. We used to just hang them on a whole orange tree. You know, have the string come down, put the feet them, hang them, and then flatter all over the place, blood up the entire place, and sometimes even break a wing or something. So that wasn't the best way, but it was the only way that we knew at the time. So let me just share with you guys a different way and how you can process your chicken without creating a great mess or anything like that. So just watch along with me, alright? Alright, so we have the 5-gallon bucket. What I'm going to do, and guys, this is not my idea, this is something that I saw on the internet. However, the best one that I saw, I'm going to do it now. So you measure 12 inches at the bottom of the bucket. So you catch 12 inches and you mark it. So I'm going to mark out 12 inches and rough, not to be perfectly exact, but that is about 12 inches. When I get to 12 inches now, what they say you're going to do, because remember, you know, if this no work for me, you know, I'm going to do it again, because I want you guys, you can come back, watch my video and work from it whenever you're doing this. So catch the 12 inches right here. So I'm going to mark from here to here. First, we're going to cut off the base of the bucket. So may I get that out the way. So watch along. Base of the bucket gone. If you don't have one of them like a machine here, you can use a hacksaw blade and go all around and cut it out. Alright, so let's catch. Let's sketch 12 inches. Look like I make a mistake because I can't find one of the mark them now. So that goes to show, say, when you're doing this thing, you have to put your mark after. Okay, I see the mark where it did there. Alright. Alright, when they're doing it, I see them have a whole heap of technicality. I tell you how to farm the angles and all of them something there. But when I look upon it, common sense just tell myself I find the middle height up here, so and cut from the two ends. I always come back and find dead center up here, so when I really want to go through the whole heap of technicality, like when I see them have on YouTube, so I create this video a different way. So we can work with it. So I just have to find 6 inches at the top. So I just follow this line because everything is rough, it's not perfect. Alright? And 6 is about right here. So we'll mark out 6 at the top. Good. So we'll get 6 at the top in the center. 1 line here, 1 line here. So we are cut from each line, just come across to the center. Almost cut myself. Alright, so something like this, I'll come closer to the camera and show you guys what I talk about now. So at first, I just use a tape measure and catch a 12 down here. So then straight up you come and you just catch 6. Once you catch a 6, you just cut from this side all the way to 6, this side all the way to 6, and you get that perfect V. So when you get that V now, rotted. Now take this out. The bucket here crystallize, so I'm going to use a different bucket. Watch. First bucket crystallize, so I have to go ahead and I use a different bucket now. Alright, so the first bucket, never good. Let's hope the same thing happened to this one. However, they don't have the marking from the first bucket. I'm going to make things easier. So if you have more than one, you can just do this. You know, just make it easier. More than one. Come across. So the same thing it work out back to. 12 at the base, 6 at the top. And trust me, it look like something will really work, guys. So watch along and see if you can learn something new today. We're always learning. Let's hope this is it. The bucket here seems much more flexible. So let's see if this one works. Grant you, what I see them do on YouTube, most people I tell you say take more than one pair of hand to do this, but like I say, no man, can't do everything. So let's see. Alright, bucket here feel like the right bucket. But yeah man, I hate this, man. This is it. This is it. So watch me. So it's a cone farm. However, really I need this to be bigger. So I'm going to open it a bit more, because the chicken them when I have I go process this Saturday. They're like about what, 7 weeks? Yeah, they're going to be 7 weeks old tomorrow. Here them say them normally process them at 8 week, but I don't want an 8 week fowl. I don't want an 8 pound and 10 pound fowl, you know. I want my chicken meat for soft and tender. So I think I'm going to work with the cone, something like this. So just watch along again as I go bore the holes and use some clips for hold it together. And then I'm going to make the mounting thing where I'm going to put it on. Just to get everything as one. Okay, so we have the bucket cut now. Alright, here. Okay, so we have the bucket cut now. So you see that little V shape right there. So this is how we're going to lap it to get that cone. However, it depends on the size chicken where you have a process. You can expand it or bring it in, because as far as I see this, you can put all a turkey into this. So I'm just gonna do a rough thing now. And this looks like it can hold chicken for me. This is the right thing for my size chicken. So what I'm going to do is, so I go through. Drill a few holes. Get a few tie strap. And put everything together. Alright, so if I have a hole there, so I need another hole about here. So me a sharp bad man. Show the people them attacking, you need about 4 people to do this. But I gotta show them say one man can do it, man. Or it only take a person. Cause I know so one man can do it, and then people ask if one woman couldn't do it too. So one person. Alright. Whoa. Right now me outdo myself. This look good. Boom. Alright. Come around with the head a bit more. And I think this should be good. So it's like you can adjust it to how you want it. Catch the top, because you're going to turn down the chicken from here. And then now the lower part now, you just take it to where you feel comfortable. And if you try it and it don't work, you just adjust it, readjust it. So no failure to it. First time doing it. And I'm taking you guys along, so let's just see how this goes. Cone. I don't know if YouTube are going to allow me Saturday when I process these chicken to show you guys how I put them down, get the head through, remove the head and let everything drain into a bucket. So the chicken won't be moving around when you do something like this. And like this now, I just going to have a post where I drill it onto the post. And that's it, because when you go on Amazon and anywhere online looking for these cones or things similar to these, the processed chicken, they're like $25 and up. I say some simple like aluminum one for as much as $65 US. So If I get a bucket in Walmart, for I think when we get these buckets, they were on sale for like $2 or something like that, nearly $3. And I cut one, well, I cut two of them because one break for me. But I cut two of them, so less than $5. Two tie strap. So basically less than $10 and I build a cone, I have a cone. Can process my chicken them when I finish with this. I can always wash it, clean it up, put it in my storeroom, ready for next processing season. Because mind you, I don't process chicken a lot, I just the household. So every time we buy like 12, run them. So we process chicken like twice a year. Or we are going to be processing chicken twice a year. So I think this is good. And if it ever break or anything, I just build another one. So yeah, that's what I have to share with you guys for this part. So just stick along and I'm going to show you next how I'm going to put it on a post and have everything sorted out and ready for Saturday morning butcher day.